I want to talk about optics. Optics are so important. Once you get through choosing your light source, what's going to deliver the optimal light output, the next thing is how you're going to control the light. When LEDs come out of the source, they actually are just spreading light in all directions. And so what we want to do is look at how we control that light. And when we look at optics, think of it like a camera lens. The better the lens you have, the better images you're going to capture. And lenses to any photographer is so important, just as important or even more important than the camera itself. The same is true for optics. Optics are essential. We always go back to the smaller the light source, the easier it is to control. So if you have multiple light sources with multiple optics, it's much harder to control and get that smooth, beautiful light output. So we looked into the basic type of optics. The first one that really came out was reflector. Multiple reflector, you see it in MR16s. A lot of people love reflectors. The problem with them is the light source coming out the middle is completely uncontrolled. So nothing is capturing that light coming right out of the fixture. So often in lighting design, you've heard lighting designers say, light comes out of a fixture angry, it comes out uncontrolled. With LEDs, we can get much closer to the light source because it runs so much cooler. It opens up the materials we can use, so we have so many more options for optics. So that's the first set of optics. It's been around for a long time. All of these optics have really been around a long time, just used in different varieties. The second one, the one that I really thought we were going to use, was a spherical optic. This is a piece of glass put on the front end of a fixture. A lot of times these can be adjustable by moving where that optic is at, and it's going to change your beam spread. I really thought I was going to love this spherical optic. There are some issues with it, and with anything there's different levels of quality. If somebody tells you, I have a landscape lighting fixture, that doesn't mean they're all the same. There's levels of quality when it comes to light fixtures and luminaires. The same thing is true with optics. You can have a 10-cent optic or a $20 optic. So there's different levels of quality of optics. The same thing with spherical optics. Any optic is going to block some light. Like a very efficient optic is going to get you in that 90 to 92% of light output. A lot of optics out there, especially in the spherical optics, can block anywhere from 10 to 40 or 50% of the light output. The other thing that happens a lot with optics, this is a product that somebody had sent in to us or sent back thinking it was ours, but you have a lot of light loss. When the optic is far away from the LED, there's a lot of light that's not being controlled. So it's only light once it hits here, but all this light inside of the LED is lost, and then you're going to have more light loss as it goes through the optic.